Hello, hello, hello. How are you all doing? I know I said I wasn't coming on today, but it's too much going on with the stimulus. So I'm at the office and I'm going to tell you guys what I know so far. And around about time that we will be getting our stimulus according to the information that we are receiving. So that is why I am at the office talking to you guys on today. So, how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? We're going to talk a little bit about credit. We're going to talk a little bit about the stimulus also. So, how is your day going? How is your day going? It is warm outside, but it is another day in the land of the living. How's everybody doing? Hello, Miss Williams. Hello, 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 hello. We're going to talk today. I know I've been having issues at the home office with my signal, and I have issues before, but they sent me a booster. So if you guys did not know that you can ask for a booster from your cell phone company, you can do that. My booster went out though, so that's why I'm having issues, and I'm dropping calls and having to stand in one spot and talk on the phone. I guess I get that serves me right, because I have a friend girl that I was messing with. She had to get another service because that's what she was doing at her house too. But if you have you're living somewhere that you actually have issues with your signal, you can request a booster from your cell phone company, and they'll send it to you for free. Okay, so that's a little tidbit information. Okay, we're going to talk today about I'm talking a little bit about credit. I'm sorry guys, I don't have my little stand here today, but we're going to talk a little bit about credit today. And as I mentioned before, that hopefully you guys, oh Lord have mercy, let me take this off, I had it plugged in. Hopefully you guys actually heard my last live that I did, and I talked to you about credit and actually going to a website that we have. We have a website. It's called Get Your Financial Lit Here, and we have testimonies upon testimonies on services that we offer within a program that's one of my side gigs. Guys, I talk to you about all the time about getting a side gig, and Miss Jackson have like 3 side gigs, and it's paying some bills too. So you all should do the same. You all should find something that you like doing, something that's going to help people. You can do that by and have a home-based business. You'll be able to write off some of them taxes. If you have a home-based business, get some of that money back that you pay out in taxes every week when you get paid. Okay, and I mentioned to you about the website on not yesterday. I didn't see you guys on yesterday. Last time I did a live about it's called Get Your Financial Lit Here. We have over 11,000 people in that private Facebook page. Okay, and it has testimonies on services that we offer there, and I'm actually going to, let me see, and once you go into it, it's called Get GET Your Financial Lit LIT Here, and it looks like this. Okay, you've seen it backwards, but go on Facebook and search for Get Your Financial Lit Here, and if you can see right here, guys, see that That is over 11,000 members inside this group. Okay, 11,000 members inside this group. Once you get into that Facebook page, you're gonna click on join. Once you join, just tell them Tax Lady Jackson sent you, invited you. Okay, so you can get priority on getting into that page. Okay. It has testimonies upon testimonies on, okay, here's one right here. Here's a good testimony right here. Okay, this person here, and I'm just showing you this because this was the first one that came up. They started their journey in the high score of 600s. Now they're in the mid 700, and this is a credit score. Okay, guys. And they say they super excited, so they already got it out here, so I'm going to show it to you. So when you get in there, you'll know you're on the right page. And this is actually backwards, but you can see that. It went up 105 points, okay, guys? So these services that we offer is working. Over 111,000 people inside this group. Oh, it's working, okay? And I often say, people say, well, how much do this cost? Ask your question and sit there and think about this, okay? How much did you spend in order to get in the situation that you're in? I pause so you can think about it, okay? It is well worth the investment, guys. Credit is what you need. 75% of the economy is based on credit. Okay, guys? 25% is based on cash. Do you have both of those? Or do you have neither of those? You can start the process of doing something about one of them for sure. Well, two of them really, because you start your side gig, you can have more cash. Okay? And if you start working on your credit, you can have a better score. Okay? Cash is king, but credit is power. I often say that you can have credit, and you have good credit, and if you have a business, you can take an ink pen and sign for a loan. You don't have to put a dime down, okay? Leverage the opportunity that you have, and when you have services like this, minimum of cost, guys, is minimum of cost. It's well worth it. It's well worth it. Listen to Miss Jackson now. It's well worth it. Aren't you deserve to be able to go into a car dealership and pick out the car that you want, not the car that they say that you qualify for because your credit is not where it needs to be? You need to go in that car dealership with your head up and your chest out, knowing I already picked out your car before you go, okay? And just tell them, hey, bring it to me so I can test drive. Because I know all the other stuff is straight. I'm ready. All I got to do is sign. Okay? Position yourself, guys. This is an opportunity to position yourself where you need to be to get the things you need to get in life. Okay? You live in this life, you might as well live your best life. Okay? Better credit, better life. Okay? That website is Get Your Financial Lit Here. And let me show you how it looks one more time. It is the website. It looks like this. Okay? Once you go to that page, it has over 111,000 people inside this private Facebook page. Okay? These are testimonies. What do you do when you get ready to go to the store and buy something, or you need something? You ask somebody about, hey, have you bought this? What do you refer me to buy? What is your referral? Okay? Give me your information on who I need to find this information from. Okay? You just ask for referrals. Okay? Here's a referral. I'm referring you. And here's the testimonies. Okay? You ain't got to listen to me. Just go to the page. Say that I invite you. Tax Lady Jackson invited you to the page. Okay? Check it out. Look at all the testimonies. And if you and then I can just drop you the link. You can just sign up and get started. Start it today. Okay? Just start. That's all I say. Just start. Okay, guys? Okay, we talked about that a little bit. We talked about a little credit, okay? Now we're going to talk about the stimulus. Okay, they talking about it. Like I mentioned before, it was going to be on the agenda for the Senate. And the Senate has it. They're talking about it. It's on the agenda. That is their focus right about now. Okay? So, as we know, as of today, they're going to base the criteria for receiving your second stimulus according to the same criteria as they had before. And that was the for single, $75,000 or less a year in 2019 or 2018. Okay, you will get the amount of $1,200. They're leaving it the same. It's going to be $1,200. It's going to be $1,200. Okay, they're going to leave it the same. If you marry, file, and joint, you made $150,000 or less, you qualify to receive the full amount of $2,400, and that's $1,200 for each adult. Okay, so that is basically the information for the stimulus for the individuals. Okay, guys, that's $1,200 again, and then the same stipulation for is the income qualifications in order to receive the full $1,200. And remember, if you made over the $75,000 for single, they're going to adjust it down by certain amount each $10,000 or $100 or something like that. I can't remember, but we'll have more details for you when they actually sign the bill and they put the bill out. Okay, and then $150,000 for married, filing, joint to receive the $2,400. Okay. Well, here's something. I usually say they have everything in here for the business owners. This time they pull it back because they talking about the people need the money. So yes, they are correct. People do need the money. It's $1,200, I know, but it's $1,200 you didn't have before you get it. Okay, but as I mentioned before, when we got the last $1,200, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to do something with that? If you really needed to pay bills, yeah, you're going to pay bills. Do that, but you want to put some somewhere it can make money for you, and that's a side gig. Start your side gig. Okay, you can start a side gig for less than $100, less than $30. Inbox me. I'm telling you guys, Miss Jackson got a couple side gigs and they making money. So if y'all want to know which ones it is and where to go and how to get started, just inbox me. I'd be glad to share that information with you. But do something with that $1,200 that's going to benefit you beyond that pair of shoes or them nails or that hair or that TV. Okay, don't you have enough for all of that? And if you ain't had your hair done in all this time, it's not going to hurt you to wait on that hair to get done. Okay, do what you've been doing. Invest in yourself. You ain't had your nails done in all this time. What you gonna be getting all glammed up for anyway? Where you going? In the house. Where you going? Be wise. Be wise, people. Be wise. And good steward over your money. Pay your tithes. And to go a little bit further too. Okay? All right. The payroll tax. They're not gonna do the payroll tax, guys. They said that they're not gonna do the payroll tax for small businesses. They're gonna take that out the bill. Okay, and that's where they was going to actually cut the payroll tax in half. I was looking forward to that. But they're saying that they're not going to do that. They might do it later, but they don't plan to do it right now. Okay, they're going to do more paycheck protection funds. They're going to put more funds in the pot for that. Okay, so if you're a small business or self-employed, you can actually apply for the PPP, which is Paycheck Protection Program. Okay, so as I mentioned before, if you had a business in 2019 and you filed on your tax return Schedule C, now see, let me go back to that too, because if you guys been making money under the table, as they say, as you see now, it's not benefiting you. If you had to put it on your tax return like you should have been doing, you will be able to get some of these benefits that they're giving out to the businesses. So as I say before, always do the right thing. Always do the right thing, okay? Especially in everything you do, what you reap, you're going to sow, so you might as well do it right the first time and do it right up front, okay? Like my grandmother say, if you lie, you got to keep propping that lie up. Okay? You got to keep propping the lie up. But if you tell the truth will be standing alone by itself at the end. Okay? Just do the right thing, guys. It's easier to do the right thing. You won't be stressed out about propping that lie up. Okay? Okay. Anyway, let me get back to this. Okay. Paycheck protection, they're going to put more money in the pot for that. Okay? And then, self-employed. So like I said, if you're a small business, less than 300 people, you're going to put more money in that. Also, they're talking about forgiving if you got a paycheck protection loan previously before this next stimulus packet coming out. They're looking at forgiving anything below $150,000. So if you got the loan and you got less than $150,000, they're going to automatically forgive it. That's what they're saying, because the process is too tedious for small business owners to get that loan forgiven. So they're just going to automatically forgive that loan. So if you're a small business owner and you have not applied for that loan, you need to go do that, because it's a possibility you ain't got to pay it back. So go on and apply. That's money on the table. Don't leave any money on the table from the government, okay? Free money. You pay enough taxes, go get it, okay? All right, and then you can just get it through your bank. Wherever you're banking at, you can check with your bank, credit union. They are actually doing that process. Don't call Ms. Jackson, because Ms. Jackson not doing those paycheck protection loans, okay? I'm not doing them. So I'm going to send you over to your bank. So just go on and go to your bank, okay? Let's see, what else? When are we going to get our stimulus? I guess y'all wondering about that too. They are saying that the stimulus check should be out by the end of August, okay? Hopefully they finish signing and everything at the end of July, and the check will actually start going out at the end of August. And then also, guys, remember I mentioned before about digital currency, okay? Remember that? Go back and look at my lives, because what they're saying that they're going to put this money on is a FinNet card. You need to study digital currency, okay? Because that's the process that they're going to be using. It's called a digital wallet. They are considering putting this stimulus on a digital wallet card. It still be on a card, so you might want to check that out, okay? All right, guys. It's been a pleasure being with you guys on today. I'm glad I came over to the office so I can speak to you guys. Hopefully I can get back with you on Monday, Lord's willing. I want you guys to have a blessed weekend. Do what you need to do. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Don't put your hands in your face. You know how we was little, Mama says, keep your hands out of my face. Keep that out of your mouth. Keep your hands out of your face, guys. Wash your hands. Do what you need to do. Build up your immune system. And we're going to get through this. Pray for others that is ill with the virus. But we're going to get through it. We're going to get through it, okay? All right. Well, you guys pray for me, and I will pray for you. Thank you for tuning in. And I look forward to speaking with you all on Monday. Surely we'll have some more details about the stimulus. And you can share this. And I will see you guys on Monday. May God bless you. Bye-bye.